Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to delete your Afterpay account in 2025. Whether you're looking to cut back on buy now pay later services, simplify your finances, or just declutter your digital life, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you delete your account, make sure you have no outstanding balances. Afterpay won't let you proceed if you owe any money, so log into your account via the app or website and check your dashboard for any pending payments. If everything's paid up, you're good to go. Next, navigate to your account settings. On the Afterpay app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. If you're on the website, click on your profile picture or name in the header menu. This will take you to a menu where you can manage your details. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find the Account Management or Privacy section. Look for an option that says Delete Account, Close Account, or something similar. Afterpay might phrase it differently, but it's usually straightforward. When you select that option, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Read through any warnings carefully, as deleting your account is permanent and could mean losing access to your purchase history or any linked rewards. Enter your password or follow the on-screen prompts to verify. After confirmation, your account will be deleted, and you should receive a confirmation email. That's it, you're all set. Remember, if you encounter any issues, like if the option isn't available, reach out to Afterpay's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech tips and life hacks. See you in the next one.